Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to tell you how you can get strong acid. So to get strong acid, you're going to need some of these Necrolei Cysts, which you can find to the north of where your escape pod comes out of. And you're also going to need to find the processor. And we can actually show you today how to get both of these things, and because they're right next to each other. So just to the south of me is where the Lifepod crashes, and this is the angel plant that you have to go to get the adaptation in order to get the ability to eat the local wildlife on this planet. This is to the north of the escape pod. So from here, we need to continue to go north, and as we get to just past that, there's a broken down base called Camp 1. We want to go down into this gorge, down to the left of it. And down here is actually a little jet stream that's going to take us to the base that we need to investigate to find that processing unit. This is the Welcome Home base. I just call it that because that's what's on the sign over here, Welcome Home. And then once you get down here, you might be out of oxygen, just pop up into here, get some air, and then you can go down into this room over here that I'm pointing at. And inside of there is the processor. Scan it and you'll be able to build it. From here, we need to go to the southwest. And over in the southwest, you'll look up here, kind of to the left of this base, is a bunch of these kind of hairy-looking tentacle plants. What we want is to get out our multi-tool, and the cysts are on top of these little hanging balloons, and you can pop them off. They do regrow. And then you have the cyst that you need to make strong acid. It takes 2 per in order to craft it. So after that, you can pop back on your mobility and head back to base to load up your processor after you've done building it. So once you're back with your cysts, you can pop them in here. You can select the strong acid, and then you'll have to load them into the processor, or it'll begin to process your strong acid. Once it's done, you'll be able to go into the output slot down here and pull out whatever you had queued to craft. So you actually queue up a bunch of stuff, leave it alone, and then come back. Just note that this eats a lot of power, so if you're solar powered like me, don't let this run over the evening while you're AFK, because you'll suffocate in your own base when the power runs out. Then you can just pull it out, and then boom, you have strong acid to use for crafting. So I hope you found that helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.